Alright, so welcome to the second video of this channel. So in the previous video, we have write a quick algorithm using the historical data of the national teams to simulate the 2026 World Cup. Since that point, I have actually built a website for people to run their own simulation, and this is the website. And as you can see, there are a few buttons here. So before I show you the full website, I want to quickly show where it started and how the model has changed from the previous video. Now, as you can see here, this is the features I use to calculate the team strength, the ELO rating, the PLA rating, or the squad rating, and the form, how are they performing. And then we calculate their strength using these weights. After that, we do a little bit of data processing, and here are the top strength of all the teams that participate in the World Cups. And from that, I started building the logic around expected goals. So the idea was every team has a certain strength, right? And stronger team like Argentina, Spain would usually create more chances than Saudi Arabia or South Africa. But it would be very unrealistic and boring if the stronger team win every single time. If you watch enough football, you know they will be upset. So instead of making the model say this team is better so they win, we have to make it behave like real football. Sometimes the favorite wins, sometimes they barely win, and sometimes they lose. In order to do that, I use the Monte Carlo simulation, where you can run the same matchup few thousands of times to see the percentage of the underdog win against the stronger team. So that is exactly what I did. I rebuilt the web app using Next.js, so the whole thing is easier to use and available to every one of you guys watching. Let me walk you through the website. So this is the homepage, right? There are a few things you can do in the homepage here. First of all, let's run a quick simulation. As you can see here, this is the real bracket playoff of the World Cup right now. You will get the result. You will know if it ends after extra time or in full time, or even here, like you can see, it go all the way to the penalty result. And when you click on a matchup, for example, here you can see Germany and France both get through the first round and meet each other. When you click on the details, you will see the match events where you know who score, when they score, who assists, and the man of the match. All the way here, you will see the champion. So now this is a one-run simulation. So Mexico win this simulation. It doesn't mean that Mexico is a favorite, because if you run it again, Germany win the simulation. The whole idea is if you run it many times, most probably Argentina or France gonna win it because they are the highly favorite team to win the tournament. Alright, so let's run another simulation and see what we got, okay? So we got here is Germany and France advance, Canada lose to the Netherlands, Spain and Portugal lose to Croatia in the first round, and England and Belgium. So England beat Argentina. So this is the interesting part, because England and Argentina is the favorite because their path to the semi-final is so much easier than the other team. Alright, so another function is the interactive matchup. You can simulate the matchup that might not happen in real life, but you still want to see how it goes. For example, Argentina versus Portugal. This is classic, right? Everyone wants to know, what if Messi plays against Ronaldo? So we can just choose your team here, and then you can choose your match mode, whether it goes in regulation or it is a knockout game. I will just choose the knockout here. So first you can click on simulate once, so it goes to penalty all the way and Portugal win on penalties. You have the option to simulate 5,000 times, and if you do that, you will see here that Argentina is the highly favorite here, and you can see the most common scores, who scores the most in those simulations, who assists the most, and who have the highly chance to be the man of the match. So another function that we have in the project is the live probability. It's still the same bracket, but get updates every day as the World Cup goes. It's just like a information site for people to know who is winning and the probabilities to advance to the next round. That's probably everything on the website right now. So in the future, I want to add simulation for the MLB, for the NBA and stuff like that. But I just post my project on Reddit, and you can see here another function that we have here is this Ember chatbot, where you guys can ask anything about the World Cup, like for example, who is leading the Golden Boots, and you're gonna get the answer from her. Alright, so that's probably it. So this website is just an independent football project viewed just for entertainment and educational purposes. It's not affiliated by FIFA or World Cup. So if you guys like it, please go check it out. I will put the link in the description, and give me a subscribe.